we start from is our pattern. We have has a pattern in this language. Okay. Now, first of all, I want to explain to you two things, which is very important. The sounds of E. The sound of E, because in French language we have four types of sounds. And let me take you to the notepad. Now, pen down, please. Are you handling the pen and paper, Jashan? Jashan, are you handling the pen
So
and
I'm at,
paper?
yeah, I don't have a pen and paper right now. I'm at
You
work right
should.
now.
You are in.
Yeah, that's the problem I was,
That's
mentioning in
fine.
the chat
Okay,
as
no
well.
problem. I am recording the session. So basically, we have four types of E in French,
Okay.
which is very, very, very important because your sounds, your pronunciation is totally depend of these E. See, if we have E and we don't have any accent, I'm writing simple E like that. E. That sound is uh. That sound is uh. Uh. Is it
Right.
clear? Uh.
Yeah.
Is it clear to you?
Yep.
So E sound is uh. Is it clear to you?
Okay. Uh.
For example, if we have E and we have an accent from bottom to top, it is going towards right hand side.
Right.
Going from an accent, an entire session is under recording, okay? We'll share the recording also, and you can
Okay.
practice the recordings. If we have E going from bottom to top, but it is going towards right hand side, that sound we called as A. A.
A.
So
A.
a sound is converted into A. Is it clear to you?
Right.
We have an accent again of E going from bottom to top, but it is going towards left hand side. The sound is A. The
A.
sound is
Okay.
A. Because your past activities, mark my words, your past in French activities totally depend upon E, A symbol, that symbol. Very important. So for this reason, we need to understand the sounds, whether we are talking in past, whether we are talking in present. For example, listen to me very carefully. We have a word parler. Now, please try to understand parler. Say clair. Now, over here we have a lot
Very
of
clear.
sound. Ending of ear sound. Next, see. The ending of ear sound is also A. Ending of ear sound is also A.
A.
Clear to you? A. A. Any word is ending with ER, that is also A. Now, E sound with going from bottom to top, going towards right hand side, the sound is A. E sound going from bottom to top, it is going towards left hand side, the sound is A. A. And we have a cap also of E like that. This is also A. So, my friends, we have four sounds of when we don't have any accent at the E. When we don't have any accent at the E, the sound is Say clear. Whenever we have E going from
Uh.
bottom to top, it is going towards right hand side. Okay, the sound is E. Say clear. And we have E. It is going from bottom to top. It is going towards left hand side. The sound is A. Is it clear to you, my friends? And we have cap like that. Okay. And this is we have to stretch A. Is it clear to you, my friend? So A, A. Is it clear to you, my friends? Tell me yes and no. Clear? Now, my friends, am I audible to you, my friends?
Yes. Yes, you're audible.
Now, my friends, let's start with me some daily activities. Now, what you do, Jason and Nexi, you speak. It's parler. Now, this is basically your in French language. We have full verb. This is your full verb, which we call as infinitive. Infinitive stand for full verb because Your verbs. These verbs are ending with er. Next, see, parler
Yes.
ending with er. But this is your full verb, right? Now, for example, par exemple, répétez après moi. Par exemple, take my voice and speak up, speak after me. Next is speak up, Jishan. Par exemple, because the moment you speak to me,
Par
because
exemple.
your tongue has to be used to the language. And in a class, every day you have to speak with me. Every day, what I'm talking, you have to speak with the whatever I'm writing, I'm speaking. Speak up like that. Par exemple, par
For
exemple,
example,
for
Par
example,
exemple.
par exemple, par
Par
example,
exemple.
par
for
example.
example.
It's for example. Is it clear to you, my friends? Is it
Yes.
clear to you? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Par example, for example, is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And for example, you eat daily. You eat. It's manger, manger, manger.
Manger.
Mhm.
Is it clear to you? Manger is to eat. Manger is to
Eat.
eat. Is it clear to you, my friends? Tell me yes or no.
Yep.
Yes.
Manger,
Manger.
manger, manger.
Manger.
Manger is to
Manger.
Manger.
why manger? Because it's an sound is on. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Clear? Okay.
Yep.
Manger.
Manger is to eat. Is it clear to you, my friends?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, for example, uh, you drink, right? On a daily basis, you drink. It's boire, B-O-I-R-E.
Boire.
Now,
Boar.
we have
Boire.
done E sound. We have done E sound. This O-I. O-I sound is wa. The sound of
Boire.
O-I is wa. It's boire,
Boire.
boire. Boire is to drink. You know, my friends, in French language, we have conjugations in present tense, especially in present tense. We need to understand conjugation. Now, for example, we have a verb parler. Clear? Parler is to speak. We have verb observer. Observer is to observe. Répétez après
Observe.
moi. We have verb réaliser. Now, my friends,
Reality.
when I said to you, we have sounds in of E, and we have to understand the sounds of E, my friends. Can you see my notepad? Tell me.
Yes.
My notepad is visible to you, my friend. Tell me, please.
Yes.
Now, I'm using the vocab realize. Let me write it down and just try to understand. We have done E sound, right? Now, this first E, I'm using the symbol A. So it should be like realize. Why? Because this E we have A sound. See, take my voice and just understand the voice. It's realize. Realize. I'm using E.
Reality.
I'm using E with A
Okay.
symbol. My tone.
Realize.
My tone
Reality.
is with the E of tone is A. Realize. Realize is what? The moment you, because in your TEF, dramatically will pick the portion of TEF. You're learning French from the very basic, obviously, but will not deviate my TEF content. Now, basically in TEF, if you'll say hello, because this is, you have to say, you have to use these vocabs in TEF in your section, in your speaking program. Well, hello, please understand and try to understand, please, because we have to use these situations. So, realize is your vocab to understand, to realize. We you now these vocabularies, whatever we are writing, we need to use in TEF. But yes, first of all, we need to understand the vocab's content. It's realizing. What is réaliser?
Reality.
Réaliser is to realize. Now, répétez après moi. Exécuter. use these vocabularies and practice. Now, for example, you're sitting in your house, you're sitting in an
Executed.
office, and just to listen those recording are execute is to execute. Very simple. You execute. Tell me, it's execute. Why execute?
Execute.
Because yes, because e sound is, see, the sound of e is a symbol. Execute. Répétez après moi. Execute. What is execute? Tell me. Why it's
To
executed? Because
execute.
E sound is A. A.
Oh,
Is it
A.
clear to you? No. Execute is to
Yeah.
execute. Is it clear to you? But my friends, you need to
Yes.
understand what is the common thing over here? Tell me. Your verbs, parler ending with er. Your verb, observe ending with er. Your verb realize ending with er. Your word execute ending with er. If your verb is ending with er in present tense, I'm talking about. In present tense, say autre présent. Répétez après
Présent.
présent. It's present tense. Is it clear to you, my friend? Now, for
Yes.
example, my friends, it's execute. Is it clear to you?
Uh-huh.
Now, my friends, as a rule, the moment you conjugate this verb from, I speak, you speak, that's a rule. I speak, you speak, I execute, I realize, you realize. As a rule, the moment I will conjugate the verb with I, you, he, she, I have to remove er from the end. That's a rule in French. I have to remove er from the end. Now, for example, we have verb partly, and partly is to speak. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Now, what to say if I will conjugate with I, you, he, she? So first of all, we need to understand the subjects. Now repeat after me. Je is to I. Je
Uh,
is to I.
it's to I.
Ja is to I.
You is to you, informal.
You
Tu
is to
is to
you.
you, informal. Il is to he, and L is to she.
Yes.
Il is to he,
He.
and L is to she.
She.
Nu is to we. It is not nus, it's
Mhm.
nu. Why nu? Because ending of S would be silent. It's not nus, it's nu.
No.
It's woo. Woo is to you formal. It is not wus, it's woo. Why? Because ending of S would be silent. And then we have they. Now we have ill. Ill with single person. We have lot of ill. We say in English boy, boys, girl, girls. So if we have ill, say Claire, ill. But if we have lot
Ill.
of boys, I will say ILS. I will add S. We have L. L is female. We have a lot of females. I will apply S as in they. But ending of S would be silent. It's ill L. We will not pronounce S. So repeat after me. Je is to I.
Je is to I.
Q is to you informal.
Tu is to
To
you. Informal.
Il is to he.
Il is he.
L is to she.
Elle is she.
Nu is to we.
Nous is we.
And who is your formal you? This whenever you, because if you're talking to your elder one, you will say you, and you're talking to your younger one, you can apply you.
Tu. Yeah.
And ill l, we will not. I will not say ills else. Ills ill l plural. Il
Yeah.
is plural.
Plural.
Is it clear to you, my friend? Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, for example, we have a verb parler, and parler is to speak. As a
Yeah.
rule, as a rule in French, my friends, you need to remove er from the end.
Mm-hmm.
As a rule, the moment you will conjugate your verb with je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, and you need to apply a formula for that. Because if your verb is ending with er, this is your er ending verb, pen down and remember this thing. This is your regular verb formula. You know what? In French language, we have regular and irregular verbs. What are regular verbs, my friends? The verb we have a formula of ending formula. Now,
Yes.
ending of the formula, we have a regular verb. If we have a formula of that verb, formula stands for if your verb is ending with er, for example, parler, c'est clair, okay? Now,
Yep.
what we can do is we need to remove er from the end and we can apply the formula. Je formula is
Mm.
e. Tu, because these are the endings
Yes.
of the verb. Tu ending is es. Il, el ending is e.
E.
Nu ending is ons.
Or less.
Vu ending is ez.
Yeah.
And il, el ending is ent.
ENT.
So e, es, ons, ez, ent. Repeat after me. E, es,
E. 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 S.
e,
E.
ESE, ONS,
ONS.
ONS, EZ, EZ,
E. Z.
ENT. Is it clear to
E.
me?
N. T. Yeah.
Okay. So EESE, your je ending is tell me E. Now, for
E.
example, as a rule, your verb is PARLER. As a rule,
Mm-hmm.
you need to eliminate, you need to remove ER from the end as a rule. So if you will remove ER from the end, my friends, okay, so what you're left with? PARL.
E.
So write it down, PARL. So what is Q ending? Q ending is
Yes.
ES. So we left with PARL, it's PARL. With IL, ending is E.
E.
It's PARL. With nu, ending is ONS.
ONS.
It's PARL. With vu, ending is EZ.
E. Z.
It's PARL. With il, plural, it's ENT.
Mm-hmm.
It's PARL. So, as I explained to you, E sound is whenever we don't have accent. It's je parle. It is not je parle.
Je
Don't
parle.
say je parle because it is not,
Je
there's no
parle.
accent at the end. And if you say parle, see parle is present. And if you say parle, it will dramatically change the sound of pass that is spoke. I will explain to you. For this reason, your pronunciation has to be good, has to be because your if you say a present, a past. Is it clear to you? Je parle is
Yes.
to I speak.
Speak. Yeah.
Tu, tu parles.
Tu parles.
What is tu parles?
Parle.
Tell me. You speak.
You speak.
Is it
Yes.
clear to you, my dear? Il,
Mm-hmm.
elle,
Parle.
elle parle. Is it clear to you? He, she, it
Mm-hmm.
speaks. Clear? Nous, nous parlons. Repeat after me.
Nous
Nous,
Nous
nous
parlons.
parlons.
parlons. That is ONS, O. And ending of S would be silent. You know, nous parlons. No, no, no. Nous parlons
Nous
is
parlons.
we speak. Now, EZ sound, that EZ sound is A.
Oh,
A. The sound of EZ pen down, ending of ear sound, that is A. EZ sound, that is A.
Et
So,
vous parlez.
vous parlez, that is, tell me, you speak.
You speak in formal.
Yes, informal. And plurial, and one thing we need to understand, in case of verb conjugation, pen down. In case of verb conjugation, and don't worry, the session is recording, so you need to write down these recordings. We'll share the recording. Then we'll have playlist for your session. Okay. ENT. Now basically pen down. EN sound is on. Pen down. The sound of EN is on.
Mm,
But in case of verb conjugation, NNT would be silent. Ending of consonant and NT would be silent. So we will not say pass. No, 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 no. We will say pass. We will say pass. Because ending of
parle.
consonant in case of verbs that will be silent and NT consonant silent. Il, pass. Say clear. Is it
Parle.
clear, my team?
Yes.
Tell me yes or no. Now
Yes.
repeat after me. Je parle,
Je parle.
I speak. If I will say I speak lot of things today. What is I speak? Tell me. Je
Je parle.
parle. What is lot of things? Lot. Beaucoup. Repeat after
Beaucoup.
me. Beaucoup. My friend, repeat after
Beaucoup.
me. A lot. A lot. We have beaucoup. Beaucoup.
Beaucoup.
Pen down,
beaucoup.
please. Beaucoup. We said beaucoup. 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 Beaucoup is a lot. My friends, beaucoup. What is beaucoup? Tell me. Beaucoup
A lot.
is a
A
lot.
lot.
What is, will give you one preposition today. The is not the, it's the, because E simple E
The.
sound is a, it's the, the. Repeat after me. The.
The.
The is a preposition which is of and from.
Of and
The,
from.
yes, the is a
Okay.
preposition which is of and from. Is it clear to you? The,
Mhm.
clear? I'm saying the
Yes.
lot of things, it's beaucoup, beaucoup, the,
The
the, shows, shows, shows we
shows.
have things, shows, CHOSES. And now please,
CHOSES.
it's beaucoup de choses. Beaucoup de choses.
Shows.
Yes, shows. What is shows over here? Shows. Is a lot of things.
Shows is things.
Yes. Lot of things is what? Tell me. Can you see my
Beaucoup de
notepad?
shows.
Tell me. Can you see my notepad?
Yes.
Beaucoup. Sorry, it's a spelling error. Beaucoup de choses is lot of things. Say Claire. Is it clear to you?
Yep.
Now I will give you the synonym of beaucoup, my friends. Repeat after me because we need to work in on the vocabularies. Ton, Tant, ton. It's not tant, it's ton. Why ton? Because
So.
an sound is on. The sound of an is on. Ending of t would be silent. Ending of t would be silent, my friends. Ton, ton.
तो
What is beaucoup? A lot. What is the synonym of beaucoup? Ton, ton.
तो
If I will say ton de choses, take my voice. Ton de choses. Ton de choses is lot
Don't
of
the
things.
shows.
Ton de choses. It means
Don't the
lot of
shows.
things. Beaucoup de choses. Répétez après moi. Énormément. Repeat after me. Énormément.
Enough memo.
Yes, yes, yes. Let me write the sounds of E. Énormément. Repeat after me, my friends. Énormément.
Enough memo.
Yes, 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 yes. Repeat after me, my friends. Énormément.
Enough
Énormément,
memo.
c'est autre quoi? What is that? Tell me. Now I'm saying,
Enormous.
yes,
Yeah.
a lot. Enormous. C'est clair. A, now I'm
Yep.
using the verb, using the word A. It's A. E sound is A, énormément. Why
Enough
énormément? Because
memo.
EN sound is on.
Oh,
The sound of EN is on. And ending of T would be silent.
silent.
Here, it's enough memo. Repeat after me. Enough
Enough
memo is what?
memo.
A lot. A
A
lot.
lot.
Enough memo, the shows. Lot of
Enough
things.
memo. The shows.
Lot of things. My friends, if I will say my, now you have to speak with me. I speak lot of things. Tell me yes or no. 1 second, please. 1 second. I speak lot of things. Je parle. 1 second. Be on. I'm just coming. Very sorry. I just got one phone call. I speak lot of things. Je parle. Tell me. Je parle
Je
beaucoup
parle
de
beaucoup
choses.
de
Nah,
choses.
nah, nah. Next, now you have mistaken. Je parle what? Je parle. There's no EA sound. Parle. You say parle is present. Parle is past. If
Okay.
his sound will get changed, dramatically sense will get changed. Not je parle. No. It's je parle.
Je parle.
Yes, because you're talking for present. Je parle
Okay.
is totally past. I will explain to you. So now, je parle beaucoup de choses. What is beaucoup de choses? Tell me. Lot of things.
Lot of things.
Now,
Yeah.
if I will say, I speak again lot of things in a different way. Je parle tant de choses. Je parle tant de choses. Tell me yes and no.
Yeah.
If I will say, for example, je parle énormément de choses. What is énormément? Tell me.
A lot of.
Lot of things. So, beaucoup de choses, énormément de choses, tant de choses. Jashan, is it clear to you? Now, next, see, you use the word j'ai parlé. My friends, what is past? Present. First, there is a form of infinitive verb, a full verb, Parler. This is your infinitive full verb. We need to
Mm-hmm.
break that word in present tense. What we have done? Es,
Yes. E.
E, ONS,
ONS.
EZ,
EZ. Indian.
ENT. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, okay, that's fine. I will say I speak, I will remove ER and I will say je parle. C'est clair.
Yep.
Clear? But what is past? In case of past, you need to, in case of past, spoke. In case of past, you need to eliminate, you need to remove ER from the end You need to remove ear from the end, and your your er will be converted into ea wala symbol. Parley
Okay.
in case of past.
So je parle is I spoke, right?
Now I tell you
Okay.
how it works. Parley is your past.
Mm-hmm.
Parley is your past. My friend, one thing we need to understand, two verbs are very important. One is avoir. Avoir is to has have. Very important verb. Avoir. Avoir is to has
Has
have.
have.
In French language, totally French, a full French is based upon the tenses are based upon two verbs, my friend. One is has have, which is tell me,
Our.
and one is être. Look, I'm using the tone être.
Yeah.
Être.
Active.
We have cap like that. Être is to be, and être is to ismr also. Entire French tenses, depending upon avoir and être, we have, these are the very important families, avoir and être. Now, what is avoir? I explained to you what is past, but first of all, in order to understand past, we need to understand what is has have first. What is our? Our is to has have. Now, this is basically your irregular verb because there is no ending. We need to understand this ending by heart. So, our is a full verb, is to has have. The moment we'll break our verb, that is j'ai. J'ai is to I.
Yeah. I have.
J'ai. To are is to you have. Il, a is to he, she has. Nous avons is to we have. Vous avez is to you have. And ils ont is to they have. Repeat after me.
Also.
J'ai is to
Je.
I have. Mhm. Tu as,
Tu as.
is to you have.
You have.
A is to he, she has.
Il.
A is to he,
A.
she has. Nous avons. Nous avons is to we have.
Nous avons.
Vous avez is to you have.
Vous
And
avez.
elles ont is to
So.
they have.
They have.
So this is the conjugation we need to understand. J'ai is to I have. Our is a full verb.
Yeah.
To are is
Tu
to
as.
you have. Il, a is to he, she has. Nous avons is to we have.
They have.
Vous avez is to you have. Elles ont they have. As explained to you, the past Parle, the past is Parle, wala symbol. Clear? Like you we call it as
Yes.
parler. But if I'll say I spoke, in that case, I need to use our verb first. What is I? J'ai,
Je.
j'ai
Je.
parlé. That is
Je
I spoke.
parle.
Yes. Is it clear to you? You
Yes.
spoke. Tu as, our verb tu as parlé. Is it clear to you? Clear, my
Yes.
friends? Clear? So, j'ai parlé, tu as parlé. C'est clair. What is
Yep.
she spoke? Tell me. Elle
Il
a
est parlé.
parlé. Is it clear to you? We spoke. Nous avons
Nous avons parlé.
parlé. Vous avez. It is just.
Parlé.
I need to use our verb and we need to apply EIQ because this A symbol we have passed. And if I say I speak, je parle. If you say je parle past, it will be on past. If I say I spoke, our verb, je parle. Say Claire, tell
Yes,
me yes
partly.
and no. Tell me
Yes.
yes and no. Say Claire. This is your present
Mhm.
and past. I'm going to share a new link. Please join again. I'm going to
Yes.
share new link, my friends. Please join it again, okay?
Yes.